You can do chain stitch backwards. It's called reverse chain stitch. The final look is completely the same as a traditional chain stitch. And some people even like it more than usual one, because it's comfortable to stitch this way. Start by making one short stitch. It's the same anchor stitch like you did for finishing a usual chain stitch, but for reverse stitch you are starting from the end. Come up in another place of the line depending on how big you want to make this chain stitch. Slide on the first anchor stitch and go back down in the same hole. You need to go with your needle between the thread and fabric without splitting anything. Then continue the same way along the line, each time sliding the needles through the previous chain stitch. You can slide between the previous stitch from one side or another, it doesn't matter. The result will be the same, just do it the way you feel comfortable. Reverse chain, also known as broad stitch, so you have two more lines to practice the reverse chain. You can use a blind-ended tapestry needle if you're constantly splitting the thread of the fabric, or slide using the needle's eye side. It will also work well. Keep the stitches even in size and spacing. Try to use some variegated or multicolored thread and practice the stitch in different directions, from right to left, from left to right. You may even like it more than a regular chain stitch. As you can see, there is no difference between the usual chain stitch and reverse chain stitch. They just made using two different ways. So try both versions and let me know in the comments which one do you like the most. If you want to stitch this sampler too, I have many samplers like that available on my Patreon. You can also find some PDFs with such samplers on my Etsy shop. All the links in the video description below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like that, and you will probably learn more stitches with me. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!